Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series which is how to earn from video editing. This is the sixth part of this video series. So in today's video I will teach you how you can earn money by providing the service of product video editing. This is a very high demand skill and you can also use this for your own business. And so let's move towards Fiverr and let's check that if there is a demand of this skill or not. I choose Fiverr because Fiverr is one of the best freelancing marketplace. So here I search for product video editing. So there is a 40,000 plus services available, and it means there is a high demand of this skill. So let's analyze some gigs and let's take an idea from these gigs. So I open 3 gigs and let's see. So I will do professional video editing for product ads. Basic he charge $150, standard $250, premium $500, and you can check out his portfolio. So this is his portfolio and this look great. He got 1841 plus 5-star reviews, means he completed almost 5,000 orders. And you can check out his gig and take an idea. He is inspiration for beginner video editors. So after that, let's move towards second video. I will edit Shopify, dropshipping, TikTok, Facebook product video ads. So in basic he charge $15, premium standard he charge $30, and premium he charge $40. So this is the second gig, and the last one is Mahesh F, $35 for basic, standard $65, and premium $110. So guys, you can see there is a huge demand of this skill and many people are providing this service. So work on it and make your gig according to it and sell this skill on Fiverr. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.